Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
Hello, my friend. This video is not random. You are here for a reason. Somewhere inside you, something is tired. Something feels heavy. Something feels lost. Maybe you feel behind in life. Maybe you feel afraid to try again. Maybe you think you are not good enough. But listen carefully. This video is for the one who thinks it's too late. The one who is tired, broken, stuck, afraid. The one who has been told they are not smart enough, not strong enough, not good enough. This message is for you. Today, I want to remind you of a truth you forgot. You can do anything. You have one life, and this is your chance. You wake up every day and face the world. You face stress. You face problems. You face fear. And yet, you are still standing. That is strength. Strength is not being perfect. Strength is not never crying. Strength is continuing even when you want to give up. You survived days you thought would destroy you. You survived nights when you felt alone. You survived moments when you doubted yourself. Look at yourself now. You are still here. That means your life still has meaning. You are not weak. You are becoming stronger. Your biggest enemy is not the world. It is your own thoughts. Thoughts like, I can't do this. I'm not good enough. I will fail. People will judge me. These thoughts are lies. Your mind can be a prison, or your mind can be your freedom. When you say, I can't, your life becomes small. When you say, I will try, your life becomes bigger. Change your words, change your thoughts, change your future. Some people believe life is a race. They compare themselves to others. They are successful, they are married, they are rich, they are confident. But your journey is not their journey. A flower does not bloom at the same time as another flower. Each one has its own season. It is not too late to learn. It is not too late to dream. It is not too late to start again. As long as you breathe, you still have time. Failure is not the end. Failure is a lesson. Every mistake teaches you something. Every fall makes you wiser. Every problem makes you stronger. Do not fear failure. Fear staying in the same place. You are not your past. You are not your mistakes. You are your next decision. One day you will look back at this moment and you will ask yourself, did I try? Did I believe? Did I fight for my dreams? Or did I hide in fear? You have one life. Not two, not 10. One life, one chance. Do not waste it on doubt. Do not waste it on fear. Do not waste it on other people's opinions. Live your life for you. Learning English is a bridge to your future. With English, you can travel, study, work, connect, grow. Every new word is power. Every sentence is confidence. Every mistake is progress. Do not be ashamed of your accent. Do not be afraid of wrong grammar. Speak, practice, improve. Say this with me slowly. I believe in myself. I can learn anything. I am not too late. I am becoming stronger every day. My life has meaning. My dreams are possible. Again, I can do anything. This is my life. This is my chance. You can do anything, not because life is easy, but because you are stronger than your excuses. Every great person once thought exactly where you are now, confused, scared, doubting themselves. The difference? They didn't quit when it got hard. They kept going when it got uncomfortable. Stop waiting for the perfect time. Perfect time doesn't exist. Start messy. Start scared. Start small, but start. Your dreams don't need permission from the world. They only need belief from you. When you fail, learn. When you fall, rise. When people doubt, prove. Remember, discipline beats motivation. Consistency beats talent. Courage beats fear. You are not here by accident. You have a purpose. You have power. You have potential that hasn't even been tasked yet. So today, tell yourself, I can, I will, I must. Because the moment you believe in yourself, the world has no choice but to notice you. If the world doubted you, believe in yourself. If people laughed at you, prove them wrong with your growth. You do not need to be perfect. You must need to begin one step, one word, one day. And one day you will look back and say, I did not give up. Thank you for listening. If this video helped you, please like and share it with someone who needs hope today. Subscribe for more English learning and motivational videos. Remember, you can do anything. One life, one chance. Start now.